Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best instant cameras in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera. If you want the best instant camera to cover all your photography bases, then the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera is a picture-perfect choice. Evolving from previous models, it now comes with a built-in selfie mirror, and an additional macro lens to get those close-ups just right. While the automatic exposure measurement may take some fun away for experienced snappers, it's ideal for beginners who just want to take pictures and will focus on the technical side, we don't know, eventually. There's also a high key mode, which ensures brighter pictures while still maintaining the classic soft Polaroid look. Retro with a usefully modern twist, the Instax Mini 9 is the perfect instant camera to tip your toe in the world of photography, and give you a unique, quirky way to showcase the nights you may not necessarily remember all the time, but want to cherish the memory of nonetheless. Or you can use it as a travel camera and capture your favorite moments during your travels. The best key features: new built-in selfie mirror, macro lens adapter for close-up shots, automatic exposure measurement, high key mode for taking brighter pictures with a softer look. Moving to the pros: fast printing Polaroids, easy to use for beginners and experts, 4 environment settings. And for the cons: slightly larger than pictures appear. 2. Polaroid Snap Digital Instant Camera. There's perhaps no one alive who doesn't have fond memories, real or not, of the Polaroid camera, and this Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera is an exceptional reimagining of a product that defines an era. The self-timer and optical viewfinder are cool nods to the past, while the indicator function for battery and paper level reminds you you're holding something much more advanced than whatever came before it. We also love the design, which, while still clearly an instant camera, looks more like a proper, bona fide digital one. For more serious photographers, this could be a bonus by avoiding the toy association of other models, which may put you off your purchase. You also get 2 copies of the photograph, both physical and digital, which you can pick from later. It recognizes SD cards up to 32 GB, so there's plenty of options for storage, especially when you've run out of paper, and also allows you to update the firmware when needed. This also makes a great gift for photography lovers. The best key features are: self-timer, indicators for ink, battery, paper, and storage space, pop-up optical viewfinder, USB cord to charge and transfer pictures. Moving to the pros: easy to use with point, click, and print, 0 ink or toner, compact design, fits in shirt pocket. And for the cons: sensitive buttons. 3. Kodak PRINTOMATIC Digital Instant Camera. For an instant photo camera which guarantees quality results, the 10-megapixel Kodak PRINTOMATIC Digital Instant Print Camera is something to seriously consider. It comes with a rechargeable battery, so you never miss the perfect shot, and ensures 40 prints per charge, while the micro SD slot up to 32 GB allows you to take pictures with no paper loaded. When you want to take advantage of its instant photo features, you can print with ease by just tapping a button. These pictures come out cleanly and ink-free to prevent smudging like you used to find on archaic photo printers of the early 2010s. They also have an adhesive back, so you can stick them into photo albums, scrapbooks, or telephone poles. If you're of the slightly pretentious, slightly artsy persuasion, the additional black and white picture mode is a welcome feature for you to experiment with. The PRINTOMATIC is a compact camera with a unique design, ideal for anyone who likes to go against the grain but still take dynamic pictures. Our handy guide to the best GoPro alternatives features more great products like this. The best key features are: 10-megapixel, all-in-one shoot and print camera, rechargeable battery, 0 ink technology. Photographs have an adhesive backing to stick anywhere. Moving to the pros: one-stop printing, charming, unique design, micro SD slot for storage. And for the cons: prints automatically so you cannot save shots for later. 4. Leica Soffit Instant Camera. Our premium choice for the best mini instant camera is the Leica Soffit Instant Camera, which stands somewhere between classic design and modern technology, offering something for everyone. It comes complete with a variety of camera settings, including double exposure, macro, selfie, and party modes to ensure you can capture any moment. As a camera, it's remarkably simple to use and requires almost zero learning curve, even for beginners. This is accentuated with the straightforward back buttons and easy-to-read screen, which displays flash and brightness settings, battery level, and current focus zone, of which you can choose between 3. If you're like the look of this and want to make the jump up from a camera which doesn't quite offer the amount of features you'll find here, the good news is that it's compatible with Instax mini film cartridges, so you won't see your current stash go to waste. Also included is a battery charger for on-the-go shooting and carrying strap to keep it safe and secure. You might not be able to use your selfie stick with this camera, but rest assured that you will get amazing selfies nevertheless. The best key features are: variety of settings for every occasion, 3-zone manual focus system, straightforward buttons on reverse, compatible with Instax mini film. Moving to the pros: battery charger and carrying strap included, classic design reimagined for today, built-in electronic flash. And for the cons: flimsy casing requires delicate care. 5. Lomography Lomo Instant Camera. Just like a flash, we've come to the end of our selection. The Lomography Lomo Instant Camera offers a unique photography style that both beginners and snapping vets will love. Immediately, you're drawn to the unusual construction and design, which may be enough for some, but if you're still not wholly convinced, just wait till you see what it has in store for you. There are 3 shooting modes to ensure you capture scenes and subjects in an instant. These are flash on auto mode, flash on manual mode, and flash off manual mode, and are easy to switch between when needed depending on the scene and shooting environment. You can also indulge in your creativity with unlimited long exposure shots, different colored flash gels, and the chance to invest in a variety of accessories which can increase photo quality and fun, such as the fisheye lens and portrait lens attachments. Not only will the Lomo Instant be a hit at parties, it can also capture every special moment you come across, whether it seems special right then or not. Make sure you also check our guide to the best mirrorless cameras for more great products like this. The best key features are: 3 shooting modes, ultra advanced lens system, largest aperture settings out of all instant cameras, multiple, unlimited long exposure shots. Moving to the pros: great for parties and capturing special memories, compatible with Instax film, different color gels allow you to change flash color. And for the cons: pictures are a little underexposed at time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.